When we look at the biodiversity on this earth, we realize that the place of human beings is insignificant in the face of all this. If we study the cycle of nature, we can easily figure out even if humans are removed from this cycle, it will not make any difference to nature. But even if a species of ant is destroyed by this cycle of nature, it will have a major effect on human beings. From the moment I learned this, my respect for biodiversity began to show through my work, and I began to find an intimate satisfaction in preserving the imprints and evidence of biodiversity.